In this video, I want to show an Enasys user how to import assets into Enasys using the Excel application. So I have an Excel spreadsheet here, and in this Excel spreadsheet, I've got some mandatory fields. Name, home location, description, and asset class are mandatory fields in Enasys. So my name happens to be a unique identifier for that particular asset. My home location is the location where it's going to belong, and that is a location already added in Enasys. And then I have a description and an asset class called keys. And my asset class also happens to have a property, which is optional, which is called key type. And so I happen to have one that's showing electronic and the rest are showing typical metal. So that's the data I'm going to import in. I'm going to close the Excel spreadsheet and I'm going to go over to Enasys. And here in Enasys, I'm going to go over to the icon on the left at the bottom, which is our import icon. Click on that button. It brings you to the Import Excel Dataset screen. Up at the top is where I'm going to click on it to select my file. It happens to be this file here, which is the file I showed you on my desktop. I'm going to click on Open. Enasys is going to look at the data, and you can see this is what the data is going to look like. And if it looks great and you're ready to do it, wonderful. If something's wrong, then you want to exit this screen before you import. So everything looks fine for me, so I'm going to click on the Import button. And when I do, you'll notice every line actually it went through and made sure that it worked correctly and gave me a success. So now all 20 of my assets are now listed as true, which means it's completed. So now I can go over to the asset screen and I can go to the next page because these are going to be the last assets I just put in there. And you'll see key 701 through key 720. So that is how you import assets using Excel in Enasys. Thanks for watching.